nice comment of the week. Thank you so much, Kendra. Okay guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. Today we are priming our nails. We're using the Modelones nail dehydrator and primer set. You guys, I've been using this for a long time and I really do enjoy it. You guys know a lot of times I do just take my nails on and off and I don't really do a lot of prep, but I'm trying to show you guys how to kind of keep your nails on for longer because this step actually does work really well. Alright, so after we primed our nails, I'm going to adhere my tips with the Mia Secret nail resin. You guys know, if you watch my videos recently, this has been my favorite product, like hands down. It works so good for rhinestones, so good for gluing down your nail tips. And the nail tips I'm using in today's video are the tapered square C-curve nail tips. I get these from the Attitude Shop. You guys know that is one of my favorite places. I really enjoy their stuff, enjoy their tips. They are amazing. Okay, so once we got our tips on, I went ahead and trimmed them down, filed them, shaped them. They are good to go. I'm gonna put on my base coat, and the base coat I'm using today is just a McCart base coat. You can use any base coat that you like. Some people are very particular about what they use, and that's okay. Honestly, use what works for you. And I'm literally just gonna go ahead and paint that onto my nails, doing a nice thin coat, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for about 30 seconds. And sorry if you guys hear a lot of wind. It is super windy today outside. Like, I'm inside, but it's really windy outside. So I am taking my Ride or Die. This is the IBD Builder Gel, and this is in the color Natural 2. When I tell you guys, this is my favorite nude builder gel, hard gel. This has been my favorite for such a long time. I highly recommend this to anybody and everybody. The color is just gorgeous. It's amazing. One thing I will say is I've had this container since about like March or April, like 2020. And I still have a decent amount of product left in my pot, but I am so hesitant to reorder this on Amazon because you guys, it is so expensive now. Like, when I first got this was about like 21, maybe like it was between like $18 and like $22, which I was okay with paying because you get so much product. But now on Amazon, they literally have it like to be $29. Like, it's actually insane because their regular clear IBD Builder Gel hasn't even gone up that much. So for the fact that this one has gone up so much, it makes me kind of like hesitant to buy it from there. So if you know a good shop where you want to like buy IBD products outside of Amazon, definitely go find that, because as much as I love Amazon, I am not paying $30 for this because it just seems insane to me. I don't know. But I have gotten a couple questions recently about the difference between this builder gel and the traditional clear IBD builder gel and the texture. So as you guys will see, that this is a thicker texture builder gel. It definitely self-levels a little bit slower than the clear, but honestly, it's such a beautiful color and texture that honestly, it's not a big difference to me. Like, it's just a little bit thicker to work with, and it's a little bit more stiff, but that's not a bad thing at all. So honestly, if you had difficulties doing like clear builder gel because you might find it to be a little too runny, this will definitely show you that like you have a little bit more control with this product. And as you guys know, there is no particular way to put your builder gel on. You can brush it, you can do it in circular motions, you can do it left to right. It's honestly up to you. I know a lot of people do it left to right, and I do too sometimes, but I find that like a little bit of a swirly motion works the best for me. I know it might not be everybody's favorite method, so honestly, just do what works best for you. And I do want to say, guys, there is a little giveaway at the end of this video, so definitely stay tuned to the end. I decided on my channel that we're gonna do a couple small giveaways this month. I'm really trying to aim to do one each weekend, so I'm really excited because one of the brands that I work with all of the time, I love them. I feel like they really truly respect me, and they have decided and agreed to help me work on a giveaway with you guys. So definitely keep watching, stay tuned, because I'm like super excited and I've been feeling super blessed lately. So yeah, I cannot wait to show you guys what the video is going to be. Okay, and so as you guys will see, we did do 2 coats of that natural 2, and for me it's just like the perfect amount of gel. I'm trying out a kind of a different method on this finger. I didn't do a slip layer because, mind you, we have the base coat on there. So I'm just kind of working it side to side and just showing you guys there's many ways to apply this gel. You guys, I don't know what it is today, but I am winded. Like, I cannot talk for anything. Like, I'm out of breath. It is insane. But I'm so excited to be on here, you guys. My last video did so well, and I'm so happy with it. And I just got so much, like, good love and good vibes. So thank you so much if you've seen that video. You guys have just completely made my week, my year. It's just been really cool so far. And yeah, it was really nice to kind of see in one of my videos like take off, you know. Like, you guys know I've been struggling on here sometimes, so it's nice to see things go really well. So this is all the nails done, and then once those are done, I went ahead and filed them, and now we're doing our design. Most of these pink colors come from a Elite 99, I think that's what it's called, gel polish kit. I did purchase it from Amazon, and I will leave it down below. The white came from a different nail polish brand, and so did that like Barbie pink, like the pastel-y pink. But honestly, just use whatever you have. You can use reds, greens, blues, any color that you guys like. I was really inspired by like a lot of the Instagram-y nails, so that's kind of what I'm going for with this. And the brushes I'm using, I will leave those down below too. I got these from Amazon, and honestly the kit I got was so cheap and affordable. And I'm showing you guys that each layer I do cure in the lamp before I start the new color. And I also wipe my brush off in between because we are using one brush for this. We're not using multiple brushes, we're using one brush. And guys, at first y'all are probably gonna be like, this design's cute, but it doesn't all go together. I know. I was kind of just trying out different shapes and like swirls and everything. So honestly, just take the one that you like and either do like a full set that way, or get really creative with your shapes and the way that you do it. This was honestly so fun and so easy to do. And honestly, you guys, I am not super good at like drawing things, but I found that this was like really easy with these brushes, and I really like how these turned out so far. You guys, I've had these nails on for about a week. Like, you guys will be so annoyed. I filmed this video like on Sunday, and now today is Saturday, and I'm finally filming the voiceover part because it's been a really long week for me at work. But I will say, at work I do get so many compliments on this set. It was insane this week. Like, everybody that stopped by me was like, I love your nails, and I was like, thanks, I do them at home. Doesn't mention the YouTube channel, but I'm just like, thank you, bye. So socially awkward sometimes, but no, honestly, I love this set. They turned out so good. I honestly want to do more of these abstract nails because they are super trendy right now, and you know, a lot of like Kylie Jenner and like Heather Sanders, everybody cool is wearing abstract nails, and I just can't get enough. They're really cool. Oh my god, I forgot to tell you guys. So my iGel Beauty package is supposed to be here today at some point. So I'm definitely going to film a haul video from them with swatches because I did get a lot of their gel polishes. I also got some of their builder gels in a bottle. So definitely stay tuned for that. I do have a lot of videos to film this month. I'm actually going to be super duper busy. I'm going to be posting a little bit different content on my channel, a little bit more like lifestyle-y, but also nails to go with it. I did have a couple brands reach out to me last week, and they are a little bit different than, you know, my typical nail stuff, but I want to kind of give you guys a little bit of everything and, you know, just try new opportunities. Hopefully it's received well. You guys know that your girl is just out here trying to be successful, so definitely stay tuned. There will be a bunch of videos in the next couple months because I'm gonna be really busy. Also, I did order some Swarovski crystals from Joann's. You guys, they were having like an insane sale where like they were literally, for like the big packs that are usually like $10, they were all like $4, maybe like 4 and some change. I also got some of like the smaller packs that are usually $6. They were on sale for like $2 and some change. So I went ahead and went crazy. I went in store and online, and I cannot wait to do a video showing you guys how I sort them, and I'm super excited. Okay, so you guys, this design was super easy. I hope this video is like not too repetitive. I know this part's a little bit long of just me showing you guys how I'm painting, but it is pretty much in real time. I really didn't speed up the process at all because I wanted you guys to see that it is super easy to just do a couple lines. You don't have to be artistic at all. Like, honestly, I wish I kind of had a different eye when it comes to looking at things because, you know, I did do a couple different looks and I wasn't sure if I loved them or how I felt, but honestly, it just all turned out really cool and easy, and this gave me such a cool like 70s vibe. It was awesome. Okay, so now we're moving on to the next nail, and I really like how this one turned out. This was giving me very much like 70s candy vibes, and honestly, I want to try this out with different colors because y'all know I don't really do a lot of hand painted nail art. I really want to. I've been definitely looking at buying new gel paints. If you guys have a favorite gel paint that you like, definitely let me know because I don't mind painting with polish, but I see a lot of professionals paint with gel paints and I just don't know which ones to get. So if you guys have a favorite, if you're into doing the gel paints, let me know. I've been seeing a lot of like people use Modelones. I just don't really know which ones to get. So yeah, if you guys have a favorite, leave it down below. Alright guys, so I forgot to mention, but each color I cured for about like 10 seconds in the nail lamp just so that I wasn't smearing the colors together. And even though the polish was really affordable, I like that it really didn't bubble up on me when I flash cured it, because some really do bubble on you, so I definitely really liked this. And guys, this nail set, I'm telling you, this was one of my favorites. So I just was kind of torn about if I wanted to do the matte or shiny, but once I did the matte on the pinky nail, I just knew the matte was meant to be. You guys know, like, I've been loving matte nail polish so much. Matte top coat is just like one of my favorites. It's so weird because I used to be such a shiny, glossy nail person, and now I want the matte nails. I want them. And I know you guys probably didn't, maybe not have noticed, but my nails on my right hand did change. This was like a day or two later, so I did go ahead and do this baby boomer set with some polygel. If you guys want to know how I got that to be like really good, then definitely let me know, because I need to film it, because that's one thing I've always struggled with, is doing cute baby boomer nails that have a good fade, and this was like the first time that I got them to be really good. So definitely let me know down below. I think because I use Modelones products, I'm gonna give that Modelones kit away in that video, so definitely stay tuned, because I think I'm just gonna film it, because honestly it was so easy and it was the only time it's ever worked out for me. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys that too. Okay, so this is the final product. They look so good. I love them. Now we're gonna go ahead and talk about the giveaway. So in order to win the giveaway that we're about to do, you guys need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You also need to be following me on Instagram. And I want you guys to leave me just your best Valentine's Day story. It could be with your friends, your family. Just let me know what your favorite story of Valentine's Day is, and leave your Instagram down below, and you just might win this giveaway. We're doing a couple this month, so don't worry if you don't win this one, you might win the next one. So we're giving out that Moribond kit from my last video, my haul video. We're also giving away this Burano base 3-in-1 with a top coat, and I'm giving away these opal Swarovski crystals. You guys were gonna love these, and these butterflies. So yeah, definitely, if you want to win, enter down below. Bye guys.